I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use 4x4 on your Jeep Wrangler manual. First, identify the right conditions for 4x4. Use 4x4 high for slippery roads or light off-roading, and 4x4 low for extreme terrain or steep climbs. Always ensure your vehicle is stopped or moving very slowly, typically under 3 miles per hour, before shifting the transfer case lever. This prevents damage to the drivetrain components. To engage 4x4 high, ensure your Jeep is moving at a very slow speed, ideally under 3 miles per hour or completely stopped. Locate your transfer case lever, usually next to the gear shifter. Firmly pull the lever from the two-wheel drive high position, labeled 2H, straight back to the four-wheel drive high position, 4H. You should feel a distinct click as it engages, and a light on your dashboard may illuminate. For more challenging terrain, you'll need 4x4 low. Bring your Jeep to a complete stop and shift the main transmission into neutral. Now, firmly pull the transfer case lever from 4H through neutral and into the 4L position. This engages a lower gear ratio, providing maximum torque for climbing steep hills or navigating very difficult obstacles. Remember, 4L is for very slow speeds only. When you're ready to disengage 4x4, especially from 4L, bring your Jeep to a complete stop and shift into neutral. Then, firmly push the transfer case lever back through 4H and into 2H. If disengaging from 4H, you can often do so while moving slowly. After shifting, drive a short distance, perhaps a few car lengths, to allow the system to fully disengage and prevent any binding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.